Hello guys, to all of you, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. And guys, today we are here with a wonderful information for all of you. As you know about HPCL, every year HPCL is giving a number of vacancies guys, and this year also they are taking without gate. So guys, I am going to give you each and every information related to that. So do first of all write in the comment section whether am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not. Yes, Mani, good afternoon. Yes. Ajmeera, good afternoon dear. So guys, do like and share the session because this information shall reach to all the students, as this is a session where I will be giving you all the information related to these vacancies which are there in HPCL. You know, in HPCL last year also they have taken a separate exam. They have not taken through gate, and this year following the same, they are taking their own way and they are taking their own exam. So the vacancies are not with gate, they are without gate. Okay, so if your gate exam was not good, it's fine. It results was not fine, it's fine. It has nothing to do with gate because it is going to be a different exam, and if you do well in this, my dear, you are going to get the HPCL, that is a, you know, it is a PSU, and with a very good package. I will be telling you each and everything related to that. Yes, Gajodhar. Yes, Abhay. Okay, fine. Nishant, Mani. Okay, great guys. Manas, good afternoon dear. Yes, Chandrasekhar, good afternoon. Kishan, okay, fine. So guys, now we are starting the session. So today we will be having a discussion over this notification of HPCL for 2022. And guys, in this notification I will be telling you everything related to salary, the dates, the starting date, and all the things we are going to discuss guys. Okay, and okay, I will also invite Rakesh sir.
So I think, Dheeraj sir, it's a great news for engineers. Students are most of the times, worried, disappointed. But, yesterday there was the CIL announcement. Today it is the HPCL, and this is without gate. So you get an extra edge, an extra, advantage of preparing once again. So guys, do not miss this opportunity. All the details about HPCL, when, how is the pattern of the exam, how many seats are there, what is the CTC, that attracts you. Everything Dheeraj Sardana sir is going to speak about in this session. So stay tuned. I just was here, so I just thought, congratulating you. Yes, opportunities are coming,
yes,
right?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Sometimes it is early, sometimes it is late, but our preparation should never stop, right? Gate is one, technical is one such preparation. When you prepare, right, you are going to get something, either through gate, engineering services, various PSUs, BARC, etc. So guys, all the very best for the HPCL preparation. Rest, all the details will be shared by Dheeraj Sardana sir. And before sir starts, just do like the session if you like the efforts, and do not forget to subscribe because you keep getting all such updates. Again, my best wishes to all the students. Dheeraj sir, carry forward with the discussion.
Thank you, sir. So guys, let us continue the session now. And as I already told you, it is a very good opportunity, and you can see initially, yesterday, like sir, I have taken a session on CIL, now HPCL. So day by day, we are getting new and more vacancies. So guys, these are opportunities which you are going to take benefit of that. And guys, before I start the session, those students who are looking me for the first time, this is some detail about me. And guys, I am having this much experience in this field, and I am teaching these are the subjects. And guys, let us without wasting your time, let us start the session. First of all, something related to HPCL guys. As you know, HPCL is the second largest petroleum product pipeline in India. And guys, whenever we are talking about HPCL, definitely majority students are having a dream to go into such PSU because the packages are very much attractive, and guys, working culture is also good. So guys, generally students have the target to go into such PSUs, IOCL, HPCL, they come at top whenever we are talking about the PSUs. Yes guys, so let us see about the dates. So my dear, the applications are going to be started from 23rd of June, and my dear, the last date is 22nd of July. So you can see almost you have 1 month to fill the form of HPCL, but don't wait for the last date, my dear. I would like to say that like 23rd June the applications are started, and my dear, before 22nd July you need to fill. And I would like to say that fill timely the form, don't wait for the last date. And also whenever you are filling, take care of each and everything, because once a wrong information is going to be given, then my dear, it is going to harm your selection into that. So always take care of that point. Okay guys, let us move further. So guys, now it is the most important part, that how much vacancies are there. So you can see, my dear, for mechanical every time they are having highest. Last year for mechanical there were 120 vacancy, this year it is 103. And my dear, for electrical there are 42 vacancies, for instrumentation 30 vacancies, civil 25 vacancies. Now you know at BYJU'S exam prep we are having instrumentation also. So my dear, on YouTube channel you are going to have very much important session related to the preparation of HPCL for all the branches wherever seats are there. So guys, for mechanical 103, 42 is for electrical, for instrumentation 30, for civil 25, and this is the age limit. So guys, you must be below 25 years only if you are going to apply for this. Obviously this is for general category. And when we are talking about the qualification for mechanical peoples or for electrical, for instrumentation or for civil, for all the people's 4-year full-time regular engineering degree should be there. Okay, I will also be telling you which branches are eligible for mechanical, which are eligible for civil. Like you know, for mechanical there are various branches: automobile, production and industrial, mechanical and production. So which branches are eligible, that also I am showing into the next slide. But for that timing you need to have a 4-year full-time regular engineering course in all the branches whatever I have mentioned, and there is no prior experience required for these seats. But my dear, if we talk about others, like in chemical also there are some seats. 7 seats are for chemical. For information system officer 5 seats are there. For information system officer, this is for 4-year full degree, that is going to be for computer science and IT. So my dear, 5 seats are there for CSIT, 7 seats are there for chemical. And my dear, you know, CS is also going on our channel. So definitely my dear, you will be having the session related to that. And guys, just like and share the session, because you can see when the vacancy came, we are coming live within 1.5 hours and we are here to give you all the information, guys. So my dear, now we are talking about safety officer. Here the vacancies are 6 and you can see age limit is also more here. But guys, these are for different people, like 4-year full-time regular engineering degree in mechanical, civil. So here branch is not a problem. Any branch can apply whatever they are written. And guys, that second, you can have a degree or diploma in industrial safety recognized by state government of UP in the purpose of appointment of safety officer and their response. So guys, related to state only. And the third is candidate must possess adequate knowledge of Hindi in Devangana script. Okay, so guys, this is about related to the information safety officer in UP. So it is particular in Uttar Pradesh. So that is why here the qualification requirement is slightly different than others. Okay guys, let us see the next point. Guys. Then you can see for Tamil Nadu, obviously 1 vacancy is there. So for Tamil Nadu, based on as they are related to different states, so that's why requirements are also different. Like you can see in previous slide, for Uttar Pradesh candidates here, it was Devanagari mein zaruri tha. It was required for Devanagari script, that you must be knowing. And similarly guys, whenever we are talking about Tamil Nadu, here the qualifications are requiring the knowledge of Tamil language. So if you are going for a state, obviously the state language would be required for that regional language would be required. Okay, yes, Vipain. Midun, mechatronics, I will be telling you about, just wait for that. Okay, so next my dear, you can see for Kerala also there are 5 vacancies, and there obviously Malayalam would be required. So for UP Devanagari, obviously for you can say Tamil Nadu, Tamil would be required, and for Kerala Malayalam would be required. So safety officer Goa, for that obviously local language would be required. So rest you can see all the branches are eligible for safety officer. Okay, so my dear, next we are going to see about fire and safety officer. Here 2 vacancies are there. And my dear, then we are talking about quality control. For this 27 vacancy and age limit is also more. And here experience is also asked. My dear, when they are asking for experience, I would like to tell you that this experience will be counted only after your qualification degree. Like if they are asking for BTech, so when your BTech is completed, after that the experience will be started to be counted. Okay, so trainings and all would not be counted. If you have in 2nd and 3rd year, they are not going to be counted. Experience will be only after your qualification degree. Okay guys, so 3 years experience they are asking, and this is for MSc candidate, so this is not for BTech candidate. So similarly you have for CA post, blending officer, HR officer. So we are here interested in engineering post majorly. Good afternoon, Abhishek. Yes, so now my dear, I would be telling you about this is welfare officer, 1 vacancy is there, and this is the age limit. Similarly you can see law officer, 5 vacancy, 26 is age limit, and this is for law officer HR. This is 26, and here 3 34 by 37. This is also given. This is about the experience, 9 by 12. Okay, so guys, this is for electrical engineer basically. So now let us talk about the branches eligible. So guys, now it is a very important point when we are talking about branches eligible, because just before notification I got a doubt on Telegram. Sir, I am having a degree in P&I, production and industrial. So will I be eligible for this? Similarly, I got some call related to some other branches. So my dear, for that I am telling you that if you are having a degree in mechanical, if you are having a degree in mechanical and production, then only you are eligible for this discipline. So where I have written a 4-year degree in mechanical is required, you must be having a BTech degree in either mechanical or mechanical and production. P&I degree will not be eligible for that. Okay guys, and mechatronics, robotics is also not eligible. Then we are talking about those who are applying for electrical core discipline, then electrical and electronics are also eligible. For instrumentation, number of seats, instrumentation is eligible, instrumentation and control is eligible, electronics and instrumentation is eligible, instrumentation and electronics, this is also eligible. So somewhere mechanical and production and mechanical, they are fine, but production and industrial is not eligible guys. Okay, Abhishek, I would like to tell you, they have not given the syllabus till now. They have mentioned that they will be giving syllabus soon on the website. Okay, so but I am telling you, last year also when we are talking about syllabus, technical syllabus is same as that of the GATE syllabus. So there is not much difference, hardly 5 to 10% is 5 to 7% difference is there. Okay guys, actually AC was off, so I maybe okay. So next, for civil, only civil is required. For chemical, petrochemical, petroleum refining and petroleum refining, these are the branches. For information system, we have seen computer science and IT are eligible. Now coming to the percentage criterias guys, EC not eligible bhai. Yes, EC is not eligible. VPN, yes sir, last year syllabus, yes definitely. Many students are there in the comment section live, they have given the exam, they know that the level of exam was slightly below than the GATE, because as you know that the number of questions were more, so they cannot ask that kind of numericals which would be requiring more and more calculation. No, but yes, some questions were there of that type, and those questions are generally given to left only, because if you are going to do each and every question, my dear, then calculations will take time and you may go out of time, and many easy question you are going to leave. So rather than leave the numerical part which are having more calculation and do them at the last. Okay, yes, very good Kishan, very good. Exam pattern, I am telling you about all the things. So guys, this is about the other posts. Okay, so we are not going to talk about them majorly. Then my dear, let us see the next thing, shortlisting and selection process, like what Kishan, Abhishek, they are asking. So my dear, when we are talking about shortlisting process, first of all, for all the posts, they would be having CBT, computer based test. Okay, so last year also CBT was there. And my dear, whenever we are talking about CBT, when you will be going for CBT, and also after CBT you would be having group task, personal interviews, and for low category moot court is also there. So we are not from low category, we are from engineering background. Then my dear, definitely I would be saying these three things are going to be there. One is CBT, other is group task, and third is yes, PI, personal interview. Then my dear, whenever you are going to give this computer based test, this is going to be of objective type, there is no negative marking, and my dear, there will be two parts. One part is general aptitude, other is going to be technical. General aptitude, when we are going to talk about, it will be having English, quantitative aptitude, and intellectual potential test, where logical reasoning and data interpretation type of questions would be there. My dear, whenever we are talking about the second part, that is related to the technical or professional knowledge, it is going to have based on your background. If you are from mechanical, mechanical questions would be there, for civil paper would be there. So that is going to be branch specific. That is going to be branch specific. Okay guys, so that is going to be branch specific. Now my dear, the number of candidates who are going to qualify the CBT, so that there some ratio would be defined. Like if there are 100 vacancy for something, so based on some ratio, maybe 5:1 or 10:1, so based on that ratio the candidate would be selected from CBT. Dear, for that also they have mentioned one thing. I have written a note point. They have mentioned that about that they will be giving the information later. Till now they have not mentioned any such thing. Okay, so next thing is candidate qualifying the CBT in order of merit. Then my dear, there will be a predetermined ratio. Based on that only you will be shortlisted. Then you need to, my dear, upload the supporting document for certain position. Then basic scrutiny of the application or uploaded documents would be done, and then you will be called for group task and personal interview. Then my dear, from group task, personal interview, when all would be done, then based on CBT plus group task plus personal interview, they will be shortlisting the candidates. You can see CBT plus group task plus for low people, this would be there. Okay, then personal interview would be for all. And my dear, for the category where they are asking about experience, their experience will also be counted. But for us, for engineering background, you are having CBT, group task and personal interview. So out of this, total summation would be taken, and based on that the candidate would be selected for the post. Minimum 60% for the post. Dear, yes, that is always required. And my dear, that is always required. And now I would also like to say one note point which was mentioned specifically: the details related to the syllabus for CBT, shortlisting methodology if applicable, and weightage for selection process will be uploaded on the website. Okay guys, so for that they have not given any clear information till now. So when this information will be coming, I will be live with the session like that only, because we are having an eye 24 hours on these kind of things, that whenever vacancy come for the student, we will just come with the notification session, because we are not going to let you down in any things. All the informations correctly would be given to you on time. Like for CCMT also we came live at the same time. So whatever be okay, Lok Ranjan, already we have seen the age criteria. The age, minimum age is 25 years for engineering category. Okay, sorry, minimum nahi, maximum age is 25 years for the engineering category. So 25 years is the age limit. Okay, yes guys, let us move further. So guys, do like and share the session. इतनी अच्छी न्यूज़ है, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा? मतलब live and like ratio are not matching. Abhishek, when you are talking about, yes, definitely you can go for it. Okay, definitely you can go for it. Sir, can EC student apply in the? No dear, I have already mentioned the branches. You can apply only in these branches only. You can see for electrical, for electronic there are no specific seats, and for instrumentation also they are asking instrumentation and control, electronic and instrumentation. Means electronic should be there with instrumentation. If both are not there, you are not eligible. The same case with mechanical and production is eligible, but only production is not eligible. Okay, so mind, this is the very important point. So my dear, now I am talking about the pay scale, the most important thing for which we are all here. Yes, we want to see what we are going to get after getting the job into that. The most attractive part of the session, that what is going to be the CTC. Candidate from Gujarat can apply. Dear, definitely Gujarat se matlab nahi hai, you can apply from anywhere. If you are from civil engineering background, yes, you can apply for civil engineering, no doubt about that. So my dear, you can see salary grade E2, which is for us engineers. So my dear, you can see the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000, and my dear, you can see the CTC 16.26 lakhs. Very attractive package, as all the PSUs are going to give generally more than 12 lakh per annum only. So this is that attractive package. Vishal Sharma, then 25 plus. If you are not eligible, 25 is the maximum. Okay. Sir, is there any combined branch of mechanical and production? Yes, there are branches, mechanical and production, automobile and production, mechanical and automobile. There are there. These are there. Okay. Batch 23 will not be eligible. 22 batch is eligible. 23 batch will not be eligible. As I already told you, as you can see, June is going on right now, vacancy details are coming, so before September obviously the process must be completed, so they are not going to wait for one more year. Okay, so don't worry, those who are 23, you can wait for 1 year. Next year these vacancies will come. So last year they have given vacancies in April, May. This year they got late by 2 months, but it's fine, vacancies are coming at least. Okay guys, so that is something related to the packages. So we are not talking about these category, we are interested in E2 only because this is for the engineers. So 16.26 is the CTC. Okay, for others, quality and all, you can see there are much requirement of experience also. Okay guys, so now we are talking about pre-employment medical examination. I already told you that when you are going to give computer based test, then my dear, you are going to give GD, then you are going to give PI. After all this, a total marks would be calculated and then only the number of candidates would be selected for a confirmed selection. But after that also one thing is there, that medical examination. So my dear, before employment, pre-employment medical exam is also there, and my dear, with that medical exam only you are going to get the final selection. Okay guys, without that you cannot have the final selection. Very good guys. I am telling you about the age relaxation and for different categories. I am also showing you the number of seats for different categories. Like for mechanical, if 103 are there, how much for general, how much for OBC, how much for EWS, how much for SC, ST, everything will be coming guys. So don't worry about that. Okay. So my dear, then you can see second point mentioned is placement or posting. So my dear, you may get posting anywhere across the India in the HPCL, or if some companies working under HPCL, they can give you. And my dear, also one thing it is mentioned, based on the requirement, shifting would be there. Sometimes you may get day shift, sometimes you may get night shift also. So you need to work based on the requirement of the company. And they have also mentioned probation and retention. There is 1 year training period. So once your training period is going to be completed, then only you will be getting a confirmed job. And my dear, after that, as probation is going to be there, so in probation you are going to get some kinds of trainings also. And guys, my dear, one is retention amount. So up to some starting months, a 5,000 rupees of retention amount would be taken from your salary. Once your selection is going to be confirmed, that amount would be refunded to you. Okay guys, so that is also an important point I would like to tell you. Sir, please tell, I am 6th semester electrical engineer student. Dear, you will be eligible in 23. Okay, those students whose BTech is about to complete or completed in this year 2022, only those are eligible. Third year student who are going to give GATE in next year for the final year, they are not eligible. Okay, yes, 8th semester are eligible. 8th semester are eligible, dear, for sure. Okay, let us move further guys. So next we are going to talk about, my dear, the reservation. So for reservation, you can see, my dear, it is already mentioned that for E2 grade, SC 56 seats are there, ST 19 seats are there, OBC non-creamy 81 seats are there, and my dear, for EWS category 29 seats, and for general 106 seats. So they are not branch wise, actually the total number of seats in E2 category are divided like this. So for general 106, for EWS 29, for OBC 81, for ST 19, for SC 56. So these are the number of seats guys, as we have already talked about. Everybody is clear about this? Harish, is language is important? Dear, language is important only for some posts which are particularly in UP, for that Devanagari is required. Those which are in Tamil Nadu, for them Tamil is required. Okay, those which are in Kerala, Malayalam is required. So it is required only for certain posts. Okay, Mukul Singh, BTech lateral entry eligible honge. Dear, eligible hai, if you are in final year, definitely you are eligible. Okay, so posts are graduate engineer trainee. Anik 25 age मेरा क्रॉस हो चुका है, तो you are not eligible, dear. Aspirant, sir, I am able to write a GATE, sir, shall I prefer this? I'm not able to, dear, this is from last, okay, GATE has nothing to do with this. This is going to have their own examination. If you have not given GATE, there is no problem. This is different than GATE. That's what I am saying. These vacancies do not require GATE. HPCL is going to conduct their own exam. Okay, dear. Okay, 1997 wale eligible hai, sir. Dear, just count your age. If you have crossed 25, then you are not eligible. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, so guys, 25 years is the age criteria. If you have crossed that, definitely you are not eligible. Okay, so diploma people, dear, this is the whatever I have shown is 4-year full degree courses are eligible. Yes, if you have done your BTech with lateral entry, then there is no problem. But these posts are for 4-year students, those who have done their BTech. Okay, so final year, yes, they can apply. Is it clear? Sir, I am 2021 electrical engineer graduate. Dear, BTech year is not important. If your BTech is completed, your age is less than 25 years, you can apply. Okay. Dear, for that syllabus they have not mentioned. Actually, they have mentioned that exam syllabus, and also if there are other things like some minimum percentage required in CBT, group task, means some individual cutoffs would be there. They will be given later on the website. So in this notification, they have not mentioned about this what you are asking syllabus, and also they have not mentioned about the individual cutoffs are there or not. So for that, they will be giving that information on the website in the later stages. Sir, in diploma plus BTech, yes, you can apply. Diploma plus BTech, if you are in final year or you have completed, you can apply. Sir, for final year student, we can apply, but future there won't be any issue, na, sir. I didn't get your thing. I want to clarify you that if you are doing your BTech, you are in final year, you can apply. If your BTechs are completed, you can apply, but your age should be less than 25. Great, Hardik. Okay, so I feel I have given all of your answers. Now we shall move further. So guys, notifications, dear exam कब होगा वो अभी नहीं आया है, because they have just told that from 23rd June to 22nd July. Up to this, you will be filling the form. Exam date would be coming soon. Once you will apply, exam date will also come. Okay. Then my dear, they are saying how to apply. Candidates are requested to apply online through this link. So when you will be clicking this, you will be going to careers, then current openings, and after that you will be going to the detailed advertisement. And my dear, when you will be applying this, they will be asking you all the information related to you. And my dear, they have already mentioned in this notification that whatever the information you would be giving, that must be correct. Later on, there would be no correction happen. So my dear, whatever you fill the detail, your name, your parents' details, whatever they are asking, your BTech degree, percentage, your registration number, your whatever they are asking, as it is not from GATE, they will be asking only about your BTech or qualification degree. So whatever they would be asking you, you need to answer it in a nice manner. ECE is not eligible, Abhinav, but if you have ECE electronics and instrumentation, or instrumentation and electronics, then you are eligible for the post of instrumentation. Okay. Okay, Anik, you are asking, sir, 25 running hai. Dear, if 25 अभी देखो running कुछ नहीं होता. Either you cross 25 or you did not reach to 25. Like let us say if my birth date is coming on 7th November, and let us say if 7th November is my birth date, then my dear 25 would be there on 7th November. Before that, I am not 25. So either you are 24 plus or you are 25 plus. If you are 24 plus, you are eligible. If you are 25 plus, you are not eligible. Anik and Shruti, you got it or not? I told you about that. Actually, so much comments are going on, so I missed Shruti about you. So can you understand now what I said? If you are 24 plus, you are eligible. If you are 25 plus, you are not eligible. Because the day on your birth date only, you will be having the exact age of 25 or 24. So 25 running kuch nahi hota. Either 24 plus or 25 plus. Is it clear, Shruti and Anik? Is it clear? Dear, age relaxation actually works as per the government policies of reservation, like the number of seats also I have shown to you. Okay, and guys, it is also mentioned about the application fees. Now we are coming on to, yes, civil is eligible. Civil is eligible EMON for 25 seats. So my dear, you can see what about the fees now. So you can see the application fees is 1000 rupees, along with GST it would be 1180. Okay guys, and the payment mode, when we are talking about, you can go with debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. You can use any of that, and my dear, you will get a message your transaction is successfully completed once you will be giving the complete fees. Okay guys, and my dear, this fees is not refundable. So in any condition the fees is not refundable. So when you are applying, definitely you must see that all the eligibility criterias. Don't worry, at the end I will be showing once again the branches which are eligible. Sir, in last year what was the qualifying marks? Dear, for CBT it was around 141. Last year marks were around 141. Okay, so don't worry guys, this is just a notification. We are about to come with a lot of sessions where we will be doing the questions of last years, and also we would also be telling you about the type of question they have asked last year. For that, separate series are about to come on this channel for all the branches whichever are eligible. Okay, so don't worry about that. This is just a notification, so don't think about all other things. For that, different sessions will be coming. 1 month you are having only to fill the form. Okay, after that only exam will be there. So if you get 2 to 3 months, my dear, they are enough. If you have already done preparation for GATE, technical syllabus is going to be same. For non-technical, yes, you need to work on slightly more on English and other parts of aptitude. Okay, otherwise technical is going to be same, whatever you have seen in the GATE exam or ESC exam. Is it clear for everyone guys? Yes. Okay, wonderful guys, wonderful. So my dear, these are the details about what are the payment criterias and how you can pay, the payment mode, each and everything we have discussed. Okay, so my dear, these are the general instruction. One thing is only Indian nationals can apply, and you can see before 22nd July only you need to done, and it is mentioned that you can see that all computations of age, relevant experience required, qualification shall be done with respect to the last date of receipt of online application. So my dear, your age should be less than 25 before 22nd July, before 22nd of July. Okay guys, so before 22nd of July you should be less than 25. If your birthday come after 22nd July, 25th birthday come after 22nd July, you are eligible. If your 25th birthday comes after 22nd July, you are eligible guys. I feel now everybody would be clear about that. Asif Ali, till now there is no information of the test, but last year also because of COVID situations, then at that time dates were shifted. Otherwise you will be having the test would be as in August or September. Okay, the chances are either at the end of August or in the starting of September. That is the maximum I am telling you. Okay, dear, there is not mention about that, but they are taking 5,000 per month as a retention fee. If you are living in between, then that retention fee would not be given back to you. Okay, so that is they have mentioned. Final year is eligible, dear, but as they are saying that obviously at the time of joining you must have like whenever your CBT is qualified, then they will be asking for documents. You must be in a position to give the documents at that time. Okay, anybody else? Pawan, yes. Shruti, Asif, Mani. Okay, I feel now we have answered. When is the exam date have not been discussed till now. It is not given. Okay guys. So with this we have completed the session guys. Do like the session, share this session, and also subscribe the channel if you have not done till now. And my dear, I am once again showing you the important points, so that those who joined not can get the idea. So my dear, the very first thing is 23rd June is the starting date, 22nd July is the last date to apply online. You need to apply online only. Okay guys, so dear, next we are talking about the number of seats for mechanical 103, for electrical 42, for instrumentation 30, for civil 25. My dear, the age limit for all the branches is 25 years, and my dear, you must have a 4-year full-time regular degree. You may be as I already told, a diploma candidate, but after that degree should be there. Okay, so it is not there that without degree diploma are not eligible here. Okay, so what is the documents uploaded list after? Dear, after CBT, okay, for that they will be asking you the caste certificate for sure. Okay, so for that they will be sharing you the format in which they want, so don't worry about that. Okay, then my dear, we have seen about the branches. For mechanical and production are eligible. For electrical and electronics are eligible. For instrumentation and control, instrumentation and electronics and instrumentation are eligible. For civil, only civil is eligible. For chemical, petrochemical, petroleum refining. Okay, these are the eligible branches. For information system, computer science and IT branches are eligible. So this I am repeating for the student who are joining just now. Then my dear, there are 3 things going to be happen. One is going to be a computer based test, and based on the ratio decided, like for 1 seat if they are calling 7 candidates, so based on that they will be selecting you from CBT. After CBT you will be going for a group task and PI. In CBT, aptitude and technical would be there, and my dear, based on the total score out of these 3, the candidates would be shortlisted for the position. And once you are going to be selected, then medical examination would be there. About syllabus, they have not given anything till now, and my dear, shortlisting methodology also there is not mentioned. Like if they have individual cutoffs, they have not mentioned till now. Okay guys, this is about CTC. Then my dear, this is about medical. Posting can be anywhere. You can be given any shift based on requirement, and probation period is 1 year from the date of joining. And my dear, retention amount would be taken 5,000 monthly. It is going to be refundable for the students who are going to join and with the confirmation after 1 year, and those who are going to leave in between, that retention amount will not be given back to them. Then my dear, these are the number of seats as per category wise, and my dear, that is the procedure, and these are the ways of payment. Okay guys, so these are the important points. So you can, if you have any query, you can mail to this email ID, okay, with the position name and application number. If you get any problem, if you find any problem during application, this is the way, okay, to communicate with them. So guys, here I will be, okay sir, lateral वाले apply कर सकते हैं क्या? Dear, if you are a lateral entry but your BTech is completed, or you are in final year and your age is less than 25, on 22nd July you can apply. Okay, fine. Definitely dear, for HPCL we will be having some series very soon, and that will be for all the branches for which the seats are there. Okay, dear Nihal, I already told you, if on 22nd July your age is less than 25, then you are eligible. Okay, so whether you are 97, 96, uska koi matlab nahi hai. Your age should be less than 25 on 22nd of July. Okay, yes. What are done in medical? Dear, medical is normal examination, like your eyes would be tested, whether color blindness shall not be there. So there are those simple criteria in the medical. Okay, so there is not much, don't worry about that. Okay, so goodbye guys for this session. Majorly color blindness becomes the problem for many students, so that kind of medical examination, your eyes are going to be checked, the glasses number and all those things. Normal medical examination is there. It is not as strict as army you are thinking of. Okay, fine. So guys, here we are going to say goodbye to all of you for this session, and we will be meeting soon for other sessions. And my dear, I would be sharing this PPT or PDF in all the Telegram channels where you are joined. And if you have not joined, join my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, and there you will get the notification and this PDF also. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in comment section or in my Telegram channel. I will be answering your doubts. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining.